Hello, I will now talk to you about how to make the cable connections for the mechanically mounted Fox actuator. First, our pin connector cover has 4 screws. It is held by 4 Allen screws. We are removing these. As you can see, the male sides remain on the actuator, while the female sides are on the connector side. When actuators arrive, they come in 3 different types, with blind plugs PG 13.5, PG 16, and PG 21. After removing our connector cover, the blind plugs that come here should be removed according to your cable, and the fittings PG 13.5, PG 16, and PG 21 should be installed as shown here. Then, as seen here, the cable is passed through to start making the connection. Our connections are on the connector side. As clearly stated here, it is done for connectors that start from 1 and go up to 32. The most important thing to pay attention to while making our connections is that cables 1, 2, and 3 are always the phase cables that provide power. Cable 4 is the neutral. It is not important for the cables numbered 1, 2, and 3, that is, the RST phases, to be swapped in any way. Because the actuator performs phase correction, internally it will not pose any issues. But the most important point we must pay attention to is that the neutral wire must always be connected to number 4. We connected our power. We provided phase to 1, 2, and 3 and neutral to 4. As shown in our diagram number 8, this is the common terminal for our outputs, and our control signal circuit always operates at 24 volts DC. When we connect only 3 phases, 1 neutral, and our common output to this section, later when we show the clamp below, as indicated, number 17 is our open signal, number 18 is our closed signal, number 19 is our open feedback signal, number 20 is our closed solid signal, number 21 is our cable. The motor receives heavy load information. If you want to purchase a PLC, you can connect here. The remote signal is provided from our terminal number 22. It is a terminal that needs to be connected for the perception of your market. Our terminal number 23 is the open-close signal. Terminal number 24 is the remote stop button. So, if we are not operating proportionally from a distance, it is the endpoint to which we send the stop command remotely. Our terminal number 25 is again the terminal that receives the shutdown command sent from the remote control. Our terminal number 26 is the terminal to which we send the open command. Terminal number 27 is, as indicated in the diagram, the general error signal. It is one of the signals to be received. Our terminal number 28 is the common terminal for the commands you have sent, such as open, stop, and close. Terminals 29 and 30 are 420 MAID input signals. In other words, when we want to control the actuator with a 420 MA signal, in orange actuators, the input is made from these points. Terminals 31 and 32 are the ones that return the position information of the actuator as 420 MA, which informs your PLC or SCADA about the position of the valve. We have made our cable connections. Now we will attach our connector cover to the body of our actuator. Since it is already in the socket, there is no possibility of it being installed incorrectly. I directly insert it in place and tighten the screws. This way I prepare my actuator to be ready for operation.